Hello everyone and welcome back to day 3 of learning Light of the World by Lauren Daigle. The last 2 days I went through the different sections of the song and described the signs step by step. Today we're just going to practice everything and walk through the song from top to bottom. It's always my effort to sign with you, just to walk through just a little slower than the song. But sometimes I get into it and get a little away from myself. Remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there's a link to print out the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, from the top, the world waits for a miracle. The heart longs for a little bit of hope. Oh, come, Emmanuel. And then a child prays for peace on earth, calling out from a sea of hurt. Oh, come, Emmanuel. And can you hear the angels singing? And then into the chorus, it goes, glory. It's a nice and long one, so you have time to do it 3 times. To the light of the world. And then again, glory. The light of the world is here. And then verse 2, the drought breaks with the tears of a mother. A baby's cry is the sound of love. Come down, Emmanuel. He is a song of the suffering. He is Messiah, the Prince, Prince of Peace has come. He has come, Emmanuel. And then it goes again into the chorus. Glory to the light of the world. And that repeats 4 times. Glory to the light of the world. Glory. The light of the world. I'm going to have a bruise on my face. I've done light so many times. To the light of the world. And then for all who wait, for all who wait, for all who hunger, for all who prayed, for all who wonder, behold your King. Behold Messiah. Emmanuel, Emmanuel. And then again, glory to the light of the world. Glory to the light of the world. And then it repeats, behold your King, behold your King, behold Messiah, Emmanuel, Emmanuel. And then it makes this great circle right back to the beginning of the song, that the world waits for a miracle. The heart longs for a little bit of hope. Oh, come, Emmanuel. And that's the song, guys. So practice that as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we sign with the music. Bye. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. I pray that his face would shine upon you and that he would be gracious to you. I pray a blessed day for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.